intentionally మీరు చేయలేదు కానీ opposite person got hurt because of your language or because of your tone. If yes, please type yes. Even though your words were clear, okay, but because of your tone people felt bad. And that's not your mistake. You didn't knew how to talk, maybe your choice of words or maybe the tone. Unfortunately, this happens many times, even though we are not rude to them, maybe because of a choice of words or maybe because of a tone, people get hurt. Not just occasionally, maybe always, like very frequently also these things happen, and we might not know that we just hurt someone who was sitting beside or to whom we were giving reply, but these things happen. Okay, so all right, let's go ahead now. Using vague or unclear language. So we have this thing in our mind that always using perfect grammar or perfect English, we will sound perfect. No, if you use everything grammar wise and all, everything is perfect, still you might not sound perfect. Okay, it's okay if you're not perfect with English, it's okay if you're not perfect with grammar. Even if you convey things politely or softly to people, they will understand. Okay, we know, right? Action speaks louder than words. That's why being polite is always necessary. So even if your English is not clear, okay, even if it's unclear, it should be softly spoken. Then only people who's opposite to you or who's listening to you will take it very seriously. Okay, now let's see a few examples. Instead of telling meet me at 12 o'clock, ఇది చాలా straight గా ఉంది. We can say meet me around lunchtime. If we listen to this, we like, okay, she's calling me around lunchtime. If you say like meet me at 12 o'clock, it's not wrong, you can say that, but some people might take it very straight, very cold. Okay, it gives chala cold wife istadi e statement. Next, instead of yes, Ram garu, perfect, it's like commanding. So everyone please comment clap for Ram garu because he gave perfect word for this statement. Okay, and these claps are also for those who gave previous replies. Perfect. All right, so always it should not sound like a demand or command or any order. It should be very softly said. Okay, so using unclear language is fine until and unless you are speaking politely. Okay, now let's do this next one. It's cold, turn up the temperature. How can we say this? I am kind of cold, would you mind if I turn little? So using would, can, could, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది చూడండి. It's cold, turn up the temperature. It's like straight demand, order లాగా సౌండ్ చేస్తుంది ఈ సెంటెన్స్. It's cold, turn up the temperature. But instead of saying that, we can say I am kind of cold, would you mind if I turn little? So this sounds very pleasing, like really really pleasing. So yeah, that is why, if it's okay if you're not straightforward, it's okay if your words are not clear, just convey them politely. Okay.